In this video, we are just going to understand about the manufacturing sector business like this one, which is Empire Textiles, which buys the raw materials from the market and then manufactures some finished goods. So Empire Textiles basically manufactures shirts and pants. So what they will be buying from the market is cloth, bukram, thread, zips and button. So this is the complete scenario. But when they want to convert it into finished goods like shirts and pants, they will need a recipe management system or bills of material system in that. So we will consider a complete scenario that the company was working for many years, but maybe they were in trading business first and they were working on some other software, and now they need a customizable, fully enhanced software that should work online. So they have chosen Odoo for that. So what they will do is they will import all the closing balances as opening balances. They will close the last 31st of December and extract their balances, and we will put all the opening balances in chart of accounts. Same goes for customers, suppliers and inventory opening balances.